Welcome once again, exercise 8.1, class 10th math, question number of 10. In this question, a triangle of PQR is given in which angle Q is 90 degree, PQ is of 5 centimeter, and the sum of two sides PR and QR is given as 25. So we can let PR as X, then QR will be 25 minus X. So, if sum of two sides is given, we can let any one of the side. We can let QR as X, then PR will be 25 minus X. So, now we apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR, and PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. And PR square has a value of X square equal to PQ as 5 square plus QR as 25 minus X whole square. And here we get X square equal to 25 plus 25 minus X square. Here we apply A minus B whole square, which is A square minus 2AB plus B square. And this equal to 25 square minus 25 to the 50 of X and plus X square. Now we write X square equal to 25 plus 625 minus of 50X plus X square, and X square can be cancelled out both sides. We get 0 equal to, when X square cancel out, then we get 0, and 625 plus 25, that is 650 minus of 50X. And 50X is transposed to the left side, this become 50X equal to 650, and we get X equal to 650 upon that of 50, and hence we get as 13. Then value of X is 13, then QR will be 25 minus 13, and this will be 12. And we have to find out here the value of sin P. Sin P equal to side opposite to that of angle P, it is of 12 upon side that is hypotenuse is 13. And we have to find out next one, cos P. Cos P equal to side adjacent to P, that is 5 upon hypotenuse, that is of 13. And we have to also find out tan P here. So tan P equal to that of side opposite to P, it is 12 upon side adjacent to P, that is 5. This is the answer of question number of 10. Question number of 11 is to state which of the statements are true and false. Justify your answer. So for this we draw a triangle of PQR, right angled at Q, for the justification of each part of the question. So first part of this, it is given that the value of tan is always less than 1. This statement is not correct, because value of tan is always less than 1. For this we can take a triangle where side opposite to that of angle P will be greater than that of side adjacent to P. In this question, these two sides can be greater or smaller. Any one of the side, either QR is greater than PQ or PQ is greater than QR. So value of tan is either greater than 1 or smaller than 1 or equal to 1. But these two sides are always smaller than that of hypotenuse. So first part, this is false one. And second part of the question is there, the sec A equal to 12 upon 5. Value of sec A, which is 12 upon 5, and sec A is hypotenuse upon side adjacent to any angle A. So this is correct, because hypotenuse is always larger than any of the side. So this one is statement as true. And third part of this is there, cos is abbreviation of cosecant angle A. This is not correct. Cos is the abbreviation of cosine. Cos is the abbreviation of cosine, not cosecant. Cosecant is the abbreviation of cosec. So this statement is false. And fourth part of this is now, that is cos A is the product of cot and A. This is not correct. Cot A means the side, the ratio of two sides for the angle of A. The side ratio of for the angle A, this is not the product. So we can say that it is false statement. And fifth statement is there, sin theta equal to 4 upon 3. So sin theta equal to 4 upon 3, meaning that side opposite to theta is greater than that of hypotenuse. This is not correct, as hypotenuse is the longest side. So fifth part is also false statement.